You've just gotten yourself a nice device on iOS 6 and want to jailbreak it to make it a little bit more usable in current year when you realize, wait, it's current year, I don't have a Windows 7 or 8 machine anymore, and POSIX keeps crashing when I try and use it on Windows 10. Well, today I'll be showing off how to get around this issue by using Redsn and iTunes for older video cards. So first up, you'll need your device on iOS 6.1.3 to 6.1.6 and your computer obviously, as well as a couple pieces of software I'll mention now. First off, Redsn, then iTunes for older GPUs, and the corresponding iOS 6.0 IPSW for your device. Another thing to note is that I'll be assuming that your iOS device has an internet connection, as if you have non-functional Wi-Fi or cellular, the process is a little bit more complicated and I recommend joining the Legacy Jailbreaking Discord below for further help. Alright, let's get into the actual steps you'll need then. First, you'll need to ensure you've removed every trace of iTunes and Apple software from your computer, and you'll need to restart after doing that. Next, you'll want to install the specific version of iTunes I've linked below. Once that's all done, open up Redsn and plug in your device. Click on Extras, then select IPSW. When the Explorer window opens, you'll need to select the iOS 6.0 IPSW for your device that you downloaded earlier. Next, you'll need to press back and then jailbreak. Follow the steps as prompted in Redsn, and your device will then boot up after showing the Redsn Pineapple or an old hard drive. Once it's booted back up and Redsn on your computer says it's done, you'll need to close and reopen Redsn, then select the iOS 6.0 IPSW again, as we did earlier. This time, you'll need the Just Boot option under Extras to get the device to boot jailbroken. Follow the steps as prompted and wait for the device to boot. Once you see your lock screen, unlock the device and open up Cydia. Once it's finished loading its sources, it'll ask you to update a bunch of packages. For now, we'll just ignore this as we need to install the Untether package first, otherwise a reboot will render us unjailbroken. So, go to the search tab and type in POSIX. Tap POSIX when it appears, and then tap Modify, and finally tap Install and Confirm. It'll prompt you to reboot, but in this case, the Untether package is installed and you have yourself one bona fide untethered jailbreak for iOS 6. And best of all, you didn't have to mess with Windows 7 or iTunes 11. Whatever. I recommend opening Cydia back up at this point and installing all the updates we ignored earlier, as many essential tweaks that you'll need for iOS 6 are going to need you to update anyway. If you run into any trouble with any of these steps, leave a comment and I'll try and help. Or you can go to the Legacy Jailbreak subreddit or Discord where I or many other people will be happy to help with your questions. But that's all for me today. If you found this helpful, a like would be much appreciated, and sharing it with anyone that needs this is also pretty cool. Bye bye.